Hi everyone, Sahil Bori here from C++ Better Explained, and in today's practical application video we are going to be creating a letter counter program in C++. So what this program is going to be doing, we're going to be breaking this program down into 6 steps. So what this program is going to be doing that we're going to be implementing in C++, what the steps are is that it's going to prompt the user for a word, then the word is going to be displayed, and then it's going to prompt a user a letter to enter in to count how many times that letter is used in that word, and then in the program it's going to count how many times does that particular letter word occur in that word, and then it's going to display the result. So in this practical application video today, this example is going to be applying two main concepts. It's going to be applying functions, and it's also going to be applying control structures. So let's get into the source code to see the full code breakdown on how it's all put together. Okay, this is the breakdown of our letter counter program implemented inside Visual Studio. So to start off with, we've obviously got the header files included at the start. So we've got include IOStream, the string header files, the stream header file, and the header file stdlib, and for that setup. So what we've got in lines number 12 and 13 is that we've got the overall we've got two variables here that's going to be used in the program. So in lines number 15 here we have our first function. So in this function here we've named it word input function. So what this function is going to be doing is that it's going to be showing a message saying it's going to be prompting the user for a word to enter in, and then it's going to be collecting what was entered in on line number 19 with the function getLine, and then it's going to output what the word was entered in. So then the next function that's created is the word count function. So this is actually what it's going to be doing here is that it's going to be asking the user to enter in a letter from the word that they just entered in to find the total amount of letters in that particular word. So it's going to ask the user for that on line number 30, and then the user is going to input it on line number 31 with the cin input. And then it's going to be using a for loop here to get the word length and to use an if statement to see how many times that character exists within that word, and then it's going to display the total counted value. And then what we've got here in our int main function is that it's calling both of those functions that we've just created earlier. It's going to execute both of those functions as soon as we run our program. So this is a very basic example of using functions and decision making statements to create a basic program to check how many letters there are in a word that we can use. So if we run through this program right now, it's asking us to enter in a word less than 20 characters long. So let's say, for example, we type in the word. Let's type in the word hello, and then we enter in a letter to find in the word how many times it appears. So if we type in the letter L, the total count of that word will be 2 because there are 2 L's inside the word hello. So I hope you guys enjoyed this basic implementation of a letter counter in C++. If this video has helped you a lot, please smash that like button down below, and don't forget to click on the red button down below to subscribe to the latest videos of the C++ Better Explained YouTube channel.